No, you quit. Fuck!
Oh,
End it, dude.
Hey guys, Deuce Noodle's back. Chris is clear over down there. You can barely probably see him. Calder is going to Chris. I'm on this hill. Try to catch a couple of wizards, but a storm is coming in, boys. And we're by the U. We're hiking to the U. Oh, like, there's this huge ravine and stuff, dude. What? Oh shit. Shows. But yeah, we're gonna have to probably find cover. Alright, now let me get this bag. I'll put this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Alright, let's hike up a bit. Oh, fuzz. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get up this, guys. On camera, it don't look big at all, but to me, this thing is steep. And there's a bunch of. Alright, guys, we're back. There's Calder, there's Chris, here's me. And, let's just say. It was howling bad. Like, they were hurting and stuff. It just slowed down right. There's the U, guys, up there. It's not even far.
It's about to come again.
Yeah, we're gonna have a second wave, but they know where a little cave is that will fit all of us. They say so.
It should, at least.
Yeah, we're gonna update you guys then. Hey guys, we're back. There's Chris. We're all here. And it's not doing too bad right now. I don't know if you guys can even see it on camera really, but we got a little cave system right here. Not big or anything.
Just enough to fit us.
Yeah. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait it out a bit.
It's all sunny.
90s.
Let's see.
But yeah, right now.
Where my dad lives, it's just cloudy. It's gonna rain. And then.
Fuck, where's one of my lighters?
Where's your dad? Where's your grandpa live?
Hold on. It's just cloudy over where I live.
And it's cold in Roy.
My grandpa lives in Centerville, and
that place is hotter than Cali.
It's 93 right now over there.
Yeah, it's hotter than Cali. Okay, guys. There's Chris doing that. Let's not light anything though. Like on
Keep
fire,
warmth.
like.
We have to keep warmth.
It's not even cold. First off, it's not even cold.
Dark
We're not
night.
gonna die.
Dark night, I know.
Yeah.
Dark
We're
night.
not gonna die. It's not even cold. I mean, like, don't do the trees. Trying to be smart.
I know. But we.
Anyway, see you guys later.
Right
Hey guys, we're back. And we looked outside, boys. It's hella hard. I was standing out there longer than them just for a second. It was like, don't hit me in the face.
And there's like a half naked guy out that way.
Yeah, there's a dude out there. I hope you guys can see hell on the camera. Oh yeah, you can.
It's starting to get cold too. We don't have anything really.
I ain't cold. I was just about to piss.
And then you saw that dude.
And then it starts hailing like a mother trucker. Guys, it's hailing hard.
You can see it on the rock right up there. It just hits the rock.
Oh, it's down.
Look how big it is. That's what she said.
You guys don't think it's big, dude. Look at these.
Here, can we grab one? Oh, here's one.
These ones aren't as big.
These aren't as big, but they're like, they're.
I'm gonna go out and get one.
Okay, bring one in here.
Ow, never mind.
The second we go out, it gets worse.
That hit so hard, dude. That hit me in the... Yo, the camera can take it. Go, camera. What's up there? Ow! The camera still hit me.
The camera hit you?
Yep. Okay, guys, we'll update later.